Welcome to Decor Insider. In 2025, TV units are no longer just stands for your television. They are statement pieces that reflect lifestyle, technology, and sustainability. From minimalist floating shelves to smart, multifunctional systems, this year's designs combine aesthetics with utility, ensuring your living room feels modern, efficient, and stylish. Here's a deep dive into the top trends shaping TV unit designs in 2025. If you love beautiful interiors, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss an update. Minimalist floating TV units. One of the most prominent trends is the rise of ultra-sleek floating units. These wall-mounted designs save floor space, conceal cables, and often include LED backlighting for ambience. With clean lines and neutral palettes, they pair well with contemporary and small living spaces. Key features: wall-mounted design, hidden cable channels, neutral tones white, beige, gray, LED backlighting. Multifunctional entertainment centers. Today's units do more than hold TVs. They integrate charging stations, display shelves, and smart tech features. These are ideal for tech-savvy users looking to keep devices organized while adding a touch of elegance. Key features: USB and wireless charging ports, adjustable shelves, hidden storage compartments, modular drawers. Open shelving designs. For an industrial or eclectic vibe, open shelving TV units are perfect. Often asymmetrical with mixed materials like metal and wood, these units bring character and texture into the living room. Key features: claimed wood shelves, iron or black metal frames, rolling caster wheels optional, warm-toned accent lighting. Rustic and reclaimed wood style. Sustainability meets style with reclaimed wood TV units. Ideal for creating a cozy and grounded space, these units come in various wood types like oak, teak, and cedar, often paired with industrial accents. Key features: weathered wood finishes, distressed textures, metal or pipe legs, warm, earthy tones. Mid-century modern revival inspired by 1950s, 60s aesthetics, these units are making a comeback with modern updates. Think tapered legs, clean lines, and rich woods like walnut and teak. Key features: tapered wooden legs, brass or gold handles, retro-inspired shapes, smoked glass shelving. Industrial chic designs. Combining rugged and refined elements, industrial chic units are popular in loft-style or modern urban homes. They're functional, eye-catching, and often include sturdy metal components. Key features: metal rivet detailing, two-tier structure, exposed pipe brackets, dark-stained woods. Compact and corner solutions. Small space? No problem. These TV units are designed for apartments and studio setups, optimizing every inch of the room. Key features: L-shaped corner designs, swivel mounts, vertical storage towers, matte finish with hidden lighting. High gloss and lacquer finishes. Bold and glamorous. These units reflect light and serve as a stylish focal point. They often come in jewel tones like emerald green and navy blue with sleek hardware. Key features: glossy lacquer coatings, brass or chrome accents, fingerprint-resistant surfaces, glass cabinet doors. Built-in entertainment centers. These custom-designed wall units maximize space and provide a seamless, built-in look. Perfect for larger rooms or as a central feature in open living areas. Key features: custom-fit panels, integrated LED lighting, recessed shelves, color matching with wall paint. Smart technology integration. Tech is no longer optional. it's built in. Smart TV units now support voice controls, adaptive lighting, and wireless charging, seamlessly merging technology with Decor. Key features: voice-activated assistance, wireless charging docks, anti-glare LED lighting, compatibility with smart home systems. Modular entertainment systems, highly flexible and customizable, these units can transform based on your needs. Use pieces separately or together to fit evolving spaces. Key features: stackable or interlocking modules, frosted acrylic accents, convertible into desks or bookshelves, minimalist handles or touch latch drawers. Styling tips based on 2025 trends. Pair floating units with textured walls like stone or wood panels. Match reclaimed wood units with woven baskets and greenery. Combine bold lacquer units with neutral seating to avoid visual overload. Incorporate sculptural lighting above or around the unit. TV unit designs in 2025 are a blend of form, function, and future-forward thinking. Whether you prefer the minimalist appeal of floating designs or the richness of reclaimed wood, there's something for every home. Choose a unit that not only complements your space but also meets your lifestyle needs: tech-savvy, eco-conscious, or fashion-forward. Design smart. Live better.